Yo, man, what's good, man? It's your boy NigglezNGigglez, and I'm gonna do here a little unboxing on my scissors that I just got from the SwagStore. But before I do that, I just wanna direct your attention. I'm looking at my photo bucket, right? Where the views at? Oh, right there. Look at that shit. 8,264. Man, look, hold on, let me look at my two, man. Look at it. Look at those shit. 9,715. Oh shit, man. I'm gonna go to my MySpace because I still use MySpace. That shit don't even got views, my nigga. What the fuck? That shit have views, it would still be higher than a nigga thinks YouTube. That's how beast it is, my nigga. That shit got more views than this motherfucking YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Like 8,000 some, that nigga got like 600. You know what I'm saying? Alright, man, so let me just get to the unboxing, man. So I already went ahead and did the packaging and got these scissors, man. Man, these scissors is raw as hell, man. Man, these is really gonna help me when I do my my Pokemon avatars. You see, I like to make the Zat signatures and shit. And basically, all I do is I just like take a Pokemon and make it shiny and shit. But yeah, these scissors, they gonna help. Sorry, but that's the only light I got right now. But shit is raw as hell. This shit is raw as hell. Yo, Shannon. Yo, come here, Shannon. Look at these scissors. Scissors raw as hell. Raw as hell. Man, raw as hell, man. Raw as hell. These niggas are tiny though. Look at that shit. Tiny as niggas. Tiny. But they raw as hell, you know what I'm saying? They raw as hell. Shit is raw as hell. Alright, man. I'm gonna go test these scissors out. So I'm gonna end this video right here, but this shit is raw as hell. And don't forget, again, look at my views. Alright? That's a lot of views. That's like 8,000 niggas. Look at all my shit. Look at that shit. All this shit raw as hell. Oh, that's my bottom thing. All this shit wrong. Let me go page 2. Page 2. That shit ain't even loading. Fucking nigga. Oh, that's right. The avatars. Let's go with this. Oh. Fuck is that? Well, I don't know. I don't know. That ain't raw as hell. Nah. That. Fuck it, man. None of these shits is raw as hell. But whatever. I'm going to end this video, man. It's your boy NigglezNGigglez. Last view of the unboxing. Right there, there's the scissors and there's the paper and it came with this thing. And y'all niggas can pause the video if you want to read that and shit. Alright, man. It's your boy. This video has been raw as hell. Yeah.